Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make these delicious mini Dutch pancakes. We call them Poffertjes in Holland. So come along and let's get right into it. So we will need some sugar, nutmeg, baking powder, 1 egg, melted butter, all-purpose flour, some milk and some vanilla extract. To make the poffertjes or the mini pancakes, you will need a poffertjes pan or this mini pancake pan. Without this, you won't be able to get the classic shape. The one I have here can be used on any heat, including induction. Before we start mixing our pancake batter, I'm going to preheat my poffertjes pan. It's made of cast iron, so it takes some time to get heated. Now in your bowl, add your all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, nutmeg, which is optional, and mix everything together until well combined. Now in the middle of your flour, you want to go in with your egg, your vanilla extract, and then add your milk gradually. I start with half of my required milk and then add the rest gradually as I go until I get my desired consistency. The consistency you are looking for is slightly thicker than a crepe batter, but not too thick like American pancakes too. We are looking for a pourable consistency, just like this. Now finally go ahead and add your melted butter. And if you are not using salted butter, you can add a pinch of salt to it. Once your butter is well incorporated, you want to go ahead and pour your butter into a container similar to this. Pouring your butter into the container is not really necessary, but it makes things very easy in the next step. So it really works best if your container has a lid that has like a tube on the top like this. It will help to pour your butter very easily into your pancake pan. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. In the meantime, our pancake pan is well heated up, so I'm going to coat it with some oil, but you can use butter as well for extra flavor. Greasing your pan is definitely not optional, because if you skip this step, your pancakes are going to stick to your pan and you don't want that. So this step is what I was referring to earlier on. When you have your butter in a squeezable bottle like this, it makes pouring it into your pan very easy. If you don't have a squeezable bottle, you just use a spoon and scoop your butter into your pan. That will work too, just that it can be messy sometimes. With a skewer, I'm going to flip my pancakes as soon as I see the bubbles form and the surface begins to dry, and cook the other side for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Originally, these mini Dutch pancakes are made with a yeast batter, but this is a shortcut version that uses baking powder as a leavening agent. Once your pancakes are done, remove them and transfer them onto a plate. These Dutch pancakes are best eaten hot and fresh, and mostly served with a dusting of confectionery sugar or powdered sugar and with some butter. Remove all your cooked pancakes from your pan and repeat the process until all your butter is used up. Just make sure to oil your pan each time you are adding a fresh batch. These pancakes are very easy to make and they are very light and fluffy in texture. I really hope that you get the chance to try this recipe. I'm very much convinced that you will love it as much as we do in my house. If you have enjoyed this video and the recipe so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think of this recipe, share the video, and please subscribe if you haven't done that already. In a separate video, I will share the yeast batter recipe with you as well. But until then, Remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting, so make these pancakes with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!